Sejam muito bem-vindos ao canal Matemática e Inglês de hoje. Vamos falar sobre Past Continuous, I was doing. Meu nome é Marcos, peço para que você dê aquele like, compartilhe com seus amigos sobre o canal, vamos chegar a 500 inscritos, conto com vocês, e não se esqueça de acionar o sininho. Aceito sugestões para que a gente enriqueça ainda mais o nosso canal. Let's talk about past continuous, I was doing. First of all, we need to understand what past continuous is. Actually, we use the past continuous to say that somebody was in the middle of doing something at a certain time. The action or situation had already started before this time, but had not finished. Okay? Let's see the exercise here. The first one, it's a question. Okay? Was Manuela at the party last night? Was Manuela at the party last night? Before I answer it, I will ask you to pause the video, try to do the exercise, and continue later. Okay? So here we are. The first one is, was Manuela at the party last night? Yes. She something wear a really nice dress. Yes. She what? Was wearing a really nice dress. A Manuela estava na festa noite passada? Sim, ela estava vestindo vestido muito legal. Okay? So, the next one. How fast? Something. When the accident, something. It's a question as well. So, let's solve this one. How fast? Something. When the accident, something. You see that you have you, drive, and happen. So, try to do this. How fast? How fast? Were you driving? Were you driving? When the accident happened. It's a question, right? Quão rápido você estava dirigindo quando o acidente aconteceu? Ok? Vamos para o próximo. Guilherme, something, a photograph of me while I something. Again, Guilherme, something, a photograph of me while I something. Pause the video, try to do this, and let's see if you did it right. So, Guilherme took a photograph of me while I wasn't looking. Oh, see? Guilherme tirou uma foto minha enquanto eu não estava olhando. Perceba? Enquanto eu não estava olhando. The next one. We were in a very difficult position. We something, what to do. Again. We were in a very difficult position. We something, what to do. We were in a very difficult position. We didn't know what to do. Nós estávamos numa posição muito difícil. Nós não sabíamos o que fazer. Perfeito? Próximo. I haven't seen Alan for ages. When I lost something, him. He something to find a job in London. Anyway, let's explain that. When you have the word for ages, It's the same for long time, okay? Long time. So anyway, I haven't seen Alan for ages, for a long time. When I lost something, him. He, something, to find a job in London. Again, I haven't seen Alan for ages. When I last saw him. Saw is the past of see, right? When I last saw him, he was trying to find a job in London. Eu não via o Alan por muito tempo. Da última vez que eu vi, ele estava tentando encontrar um trabalho em Londres. Eu não vejo o Alan por muito tempo. Da última vez que eu o vi, ele estava tentando encontrar um trabalho em Londres. Anyway, what I want to tell you is, do not try to translate, okay? There is nothing wrong with it, but this is not good for your mind to get used to speak English all the time. Try to think in English all the time, okay? Do not translate. Anyway, the next one, 6. I something along the street when I suddenly I something, footsteps behind me. I something along the street when suddenly I something, footsteps behind me. You have here walk and you have here. Okay, let's do it. I was walking along the street when suddenly I heard footsteps behind me. Eu estava caminhando na rua quando de repente eu escutei passos atrás de mim. Actually, I would like to talk about the first sentence. You can use was wearing, okay, really nice dress. But you can use as well the word wore, okay? Yes, she wore a really nice dress. Because this is the past, okay? Wear, wore, okay? It's the past. So that's it. Obrigado. Peço para que você acione o sininho, compartilhe com seus amigos sobre o canal, dê um like e ajude o canal a crescer e atingir a 500 inscritos agora. Conto com vocês. Obrigado e até a próxima.